Surprise egg! Surprise egg! It's so heavy. How can we open it? We open. Open. Surprise egg! So cool! Let's open them, Cuquín. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cuquín. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink Pink egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cockroach.
La cucaracha, la cucaracha. All she wanted was to run. She doesn't notice how it is missing. Now she won't have any dance. La
Right! Mama! Number 1. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his way about. He worked, 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 and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries, he cries, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3. The orange egg. Oh! Open, open, open. Surprise! An ant. Yay!
The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, and finally Cuquín is diving so high, and the water is splashing so loud, very much all around.
Wow! Oh? Hungry. White bread. White bread. Yay! Ah! Oh! Pink ham. White bread. Pink ham. Yay! Yellow cheese. White bread, pink ham, yellow cheese. Yay! Red tomato. White bread, pink ham, yellow cheese, red tomato. Yay! The orange carrot. Oh, an orange carrot. Yay! Enjoy! Yummy! White bread, pink ham, yellow cheese, red tomato, and orange carrot. No, it is mine.
Let's learn the shapes. Are you ready, Cuquín?
Yes, shapes.
This is a square. Now you, Cuquín. Try again, Cuquín.
Great, square. It's a square.
Shall we continue with the shapes, Cuquín?
Yes, shapes.
This is a triangle. Now you, Cuquín. Try again, Cuquín.
Great! Triangle! Yippee! It's a triangle!
Shall we continue with the shapes? This is a circle. Now you, Cuquín. Try again, Cuquín.
Great! Circle! Oh! Ah! It's a circle!
Are you okay? What shapes have you learned?
Square, triangle, and circle!
Very good, Cuquín.